Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, where we explore natural remedies and kitchen staples that can transform your health and well-being. Today, we're diving into the versatile world of baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, and uncovering 7 powerful benefits that make it a must-have in every woman's arsenal. From skincare secrets to digestive aids, join us on this journey as we uncover the wonders of baking soda. Let's begin. First off, baking soda serves as a remarkable natural deodorant with several compelling benefits. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize odor-causing bacteria, effectively combating body odor without harsh chemicals. Unlike some commercial deodorants that may lose effectiveness over time, baking soda can provide lasting freshness throughout the day. Baking soda is gentle and non-irritating, making it suitable for sensitive skin types that may react to conventional deodorants. It's incredibly affordable and readily available, offering a cost-effective alternative to expensive deodorant products. You can easily customize your own natural deodorant by combining baking soda with other ingredients like coconut oil, arrowroot powder, or essential oils to suit your preferences and skin needs. By opting for baking soda as a deodorant, you avoid exposing your body to potentially harmful chemicals commonly found in commercial deodorants, such as parabens, phthalates, and aluminum compounds. Next up, exfoliation is another remarkable benefit of baking soda, offering a plethora of advantages for women's skincare. Baking soda provides gentle yet effective exfoliation, helping to remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin without causing irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. Regular exfoliation with baking soda can help smooth the skin's texture, leaving it soft, supple, and rejuvenated. It also has natural cleansing properties that can help unclog pores by removing dirt, oil, and other impurities, reducing the likelihood of breakouts and blackheads. By sloughing away dead skin cells, baking soda reveals fresh, radiant skin underneath, promoting a brighter and more even complexion. Exfoliating with baking soda enhances the skin's ability to absorb moisturizers, serums, and other skincare products, maximizing their effectiveness. Regular exfoliation with baking soda can help prevent and reduce the occurrence of ingrown hairs, particularly in areas prone to shaving or waxing, such as the legs, underarms, and bikini line. When using baking soda as an exfoliant, it's important to mix it with water or a gentle cleanser to create a paste and massage it onto damp skin in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. What's more, relief for itchy skin is another valuable benefit of baking soda, offering soothing properties that can alleviate discomfort and promote skin health. It possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce redness, swelling, and irritation associated with itching, making it particularly beneficial for women with sensitive or inflamed skin. Baking soda helps balance the skin's pH levels, which can soothe itchiness caused by imbalances or irritants. It can provide relief from the itching and discomfort of insect bites, such as mosquito bites or bee stings. Applying a paste of baking soda and water to the affected area can help neutralize toxins and reduce inflammation. Whether it's a heat rash, allergic reaction, or contact dermatitis, baking soda can help ease itching and discomfort associated with various types of skin rashes. Baking soda can soothe sunburned skin by reducing inflammation and providing relief from itching and discomfort. Adding baking soda to a cool bath or applying a baking soda paste directly to sunburned areas can help alleviate symptoms. It's gentle and safe for all ages, making it suitable for use on children and adults alike. It can provide relief from common childhood ailments like chickenpox or diaper rash. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know that baking soda's ability to whiten teeth is one of its most well-known benefits, offering several advantages for achieving a brighter smile? It has natural abrasive properties that help remove surface stains from teeth without damaging the enamel. This gentle scrubbing action helps lift away stains caused by coffee, tea, wine, and other pigmented foods and beverages. Baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth, which can contribute to tooth discoloration. By balancing the pH levels, baking soda can help prevent further staining and promote a brighter smile. Baking soda's ability to neutralize odors extends to the mouth, where it can help freshen breath by eliminating bacteria that cause bad breath. It's an affordable alternative to commercial teeth whitening products, offering similar benefits at a fraction of the cost. Unlike some commercial whitening products that contain harsh chemicals, baking soda is gentle on tooth enamel, minimizing the risk of sensitivity or damage with regular use. To use baking soda as a natural teeth whitener, simply wet your toothbrush, dip it into baking soda, and brush your teeth as usual. Alternatively, you can mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it directly to your teeth for a few minutes before rinsing thoroughly. It's essential to use baking soda in moderation to avoid overuse, which could lead to enamel wear over time. Additionally, heartburn relief is another notable benefit of baking soda, offering quick and effective relief from discomfort associated with acid reflux. Baking soda acts as an antacid, neutralizing stomach acid and providing rapid relief from heartburn and indigestion. It works by reacting with the hydrochloric acid in the stomach to form carbon dioxide, which helps alleviate the burning sensation. Baking soda's ability to neutralize acid makes it a fast-acting remedy for heartburn, providing almost immediate relief from symptoms. In addition to heartburn, it can also help relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, gas, and discomfort. It can be easily mixed with water and consumed as a quick and convenient remedy for heartburn, making it ideal for on-the-go relief. While baking soda is generally safe for occasional use, it's essential to use it sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as excessive consumption can lead to electrolyte imbalances and other side effects. But wait, there is more. Baking soda offers several potential benefits for treating fungal infections, providing relief and promoting healing in various ways. It exhibits antifungal properties that can help inhibit the growth of fungi responsible for infections such as athlete's foot, toenail fungus, and yeast infections. Baking soda helps restore the skin's natural pH balance, creating an environment that is less conducive to fungal growth and promoting the body's natural ability to fight off infections. It has a soothing effect on irritated skin, helping to alleviate itching, redness, and inflammation associated with fungal infections. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, making areas such as the feet susceptible to infection. Baking soda can help absorb excess moisture from the skin, keeping it dry and less hospitable to fungal growth. Fungal infections often produce unpleasant odors due to the breakdown of skin cells and the growth of bacteria. Baking soda's ability to neutralize odors can help reduce the smell associated with fungal infections. It can be used in various forms to treat fungal infections, including as a powder for dusting affected areas, as a paste for topical application, or as an ingredient in foot soaks or baths. Lastly, baking soda offers several powerful benefits for hair care, providing a natural and effective solution for various hair concerns. It's an excellent clarifying agent that helps remove product buildup, excess oil, and impurities from the hair and scalp. Regular use of baking soda can leave the hair feeling clean, refreshed, and free of residue. Baking soda's gentle exfoliating properties help cleanse the scalp, removing dead skin cells and promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. It can also help alleviate itchiness and flakiness associated with dandruff or dry scalp. It also helps balance the scalp's pH levels, which can become disrupted due to the use of hair products or environmental factors. Balanced pH levels promote a healthy scalp and hair follicles, leading to stronger, shinier hair. Baking soda can be used as a natural alternative to traditional shampoo, particularly for individuals looking to minimize exposure to harsh chemicals found in commercial hair care products. It cleanses the hair without stripping away its natural oils, making it suitable for all hair types, including dry or sensitive hair. Baking soda's oil-absorbing properties help reduce greasiness and extend the time between washes. It can be especially beneficial for individuals with oily hair or those transitioning to a less frequent washing routine. It can help remove residue and dull impurities from the hair, revealing its natural shine and luster. Regular use of baking soda can leave the hair looking healthier, smoother, and more radiant. It can be combined with other natural ingredients, such as apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, or essential oils, to create customized hair treatments tailored to specific needs, such as deep cleansing, conditioning, or dandruff control. And there you have it, folks. Baking soda isn't just a humble pantry staple. It's a powerhouse of natural benefits for women's health and well-being. From serving as a gentle exfoliant for glowing skin to providing relief for pesky itchiness, from brightening your smile to clarifying your locks, baking soda proves its versatility time and time again. With its affordability, accessibility, and effectiveness, baking soda deserves a prime spot in your beauty and wellness routine. So why not harness the power of this simple yet mighty ingredient to elevate your self-care game? Give baking soda a try and experience its transformative effects firsthand. Here's to embracing the natural wonders of baking soda for a healthier, happier you. Take care, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.